Hey everyone, welcome back to Floorland. Today we're talking about a design element that instantly transforms any room: sheer curtain. If you're looking to add elegance and modern vibes to your Dubai home, you're in the right place. Stay tuned to discover why sheer curtains are a must-have and where you can find the best options online. Floorland. Section 1. What are sheer curtains? Sheer curtains are lightweight, translucent drapes that softly diffuse light, creating a breezy and welcoming atmosphere. Unlike heavy drapes, they provide privacy without completely blocking out the sunlight, making them perfect for Dubai's bright and sunny environment. Section 2. Benefits of sheer curtains. So what makes sheer curtains so special? Let's break it down. Natural light. They allow sunlight to filter through while maintaining privacy. Versatility. Sheer curtains blend seamlessly with any decor style, whether modern, minimalistic, or classic. Layering options. You can layer sheer curtains with blackout curtains for added texture and light control. Affordability. They're an affordable way to enhance your home's interior without a major renovation. Section 3. Types of sheer curtains. At Floorland, you'll find a wide variety of sheer curtain styles to suit any home. Classic sheers, the traditional choice, perfect for any room. Patterned sheers, add a touch of personality with subtle patterns. Layered sheers, combine with thicker curtains for a luxurious look. Textured sheers, a modern twist with tactile appeal for a more unique design. Section 4. Where to shop sheer curtains in Dubai? Wondering where to find the best sheer curtains in Dubai? Head over to floorland.ae. We offer a wide range of sheer curtain, from classic designs to modern drapes, all available online. Plus, our expert team is always ready to help you pick the perfect set and even assist with installation. Section 5. Why choose Floorland? At Floorland, we're committed to providing high-quality curtains that suit your style and budget. From consultation to installation, our team ensures a seamless experience. We also offer competitive pricing and fast delivery across Dubai. Why go anywhere else when you can get everything you need right here? Thanks for watching. Be sure to visit floorland.ae for all your sheer curtain needs, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home decor tips. See you next time.